Bitcoin is about to make a massive move, and right now, most traders are positioned completely wrong. If you're holding Bitcoin or thinking about buying, you need to see this video. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exact levels that decide whether Bitcoin drops to 73k or pushes back towards 78k. Welcome back to Crypto Cobra. Bitcoin is trading at around $76,000, but here's the problem. It's struggling to break above the resistance at 78k. It hasn't broken that in a while here, so we are on the 4-hour chart. And if you look closely on the chart, you see that we are forming lower highs than the previous several places here. So, but this usually happens and is a sign that the momentum is weakening. Let's break down the indicators because they're telling a very clear story right now. MACD, momentum has flipped bearish. Both lines are below zero, meaning the sellers are in control. Okay. But again, when we'll take a closer look at the RSI indicator here, we have crossed the line there, and it could mean that we are on a correcting way here, because when it usually crosses, it means like here we crossed and then we had a little spike there, but we need more buyers to actually go up in price. That's my final verdict. When we started, we were here today, so $76,168, and we need to break above the $78,000 resistance line. Here are the levels that matter right now. Pay attention. Downside targets. First support is at $74,900, and if the price goes below $74,900, the next downwards trend target is $73,500. Because this is a place we have tested several times in the past, but before this happens, it needs to go below 74,900 and then down to 73,500. When it comes to upside targets, Bitcoin needs to break above $78,000, okay? Because it has tested this in the past, but it always failed here, failed there, and failed here, and needs to go above this level here. It's $78,000, but that's not something I see going short term. I think we could actually go down to as low as 74,000, around there, 73,800. And if we break below 73,500, it's over. So let's finalize these targets on Bitcoin. If it goes below 74,900, 73,500, around that level is a place we will go to eventually. But if the Bitcoin price goes up and buyers come in control over $78,000, I think we could actually go to around $80,000, but that's not happening short term. Short term, if we break below 74,900, look at the targets at $73,500.